Hello, not going to keep you long today. Chicken rice salad, here we go. So mixing bowl, I've got 3 cups there of a cooked rice. I'm using basmati rice. Actually cooked it yesterday, keep it in the fridge. It's nicer the next day, I think. 2 cups of cooked chicken, breast chicken that is. I just sort of shredded it up. And then 2 cups here I've got now of a spicy sausage. You can use any type you want. This is a pork kind of chorizo kind of thing. Cut it nice and thin, in that goes. Then I'm going to be adding some red kidney beans, about 2 cups again. By the way, you can play around with any of the amounts here that we're talking about. I've got some pickle here, about half a cup there of pickle, which I've just cut really small. I like that in there. Some bell pepper, again about half a cup I'm going with. Onion. I'm using red onion, I like the kind of strongest of that, again, half a cup. Cucumber, again. Salt. Black pepper. Little bit of chopped parsley, half a cup maybe. I'm going for a little bit of spice, so going for like a teaspoon of chili powder there. Little bit of vinegar, a little bit of olive oil. 2 to 1 in favor of the olive oil, so about 2 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons. Give that a mix. That's a beauty. Serve that. I'll see you later. Lots of love.